Ants. Scientists have been putting these social critters under the microscope for hundreds of years. But it seems one strange behaviour has been under their nose the whole time.
We've discovered a phenomenon that had never been observed before.
Researchers spotted a strange fluid coming from ant pupae, and it turned out to be key to the survival of the whole colony. Ants are extremely social creatures, each with a role to play. But then there are the pupae, this immobile stage of the ant life cycle between larvae and adults don't seem to do much and have been thought of as kind of useless. Until now.
We've discovered that isolated ant pupae secrete a copious amount of fluid.
Orly Sneer and her colleagues noticed the adult ants feeding on this nutritious fluid secreted by the pupae, and that it seemed to boost the colony's success. Without it, they struggled.
If we prevented colonies from pupae and only gave them either nothing or a prey, they exhibit a less survival and stunted growth.
It wasn't just the adult ants that were consuming this fluid. Orly noticed adults going out of their way to place young larvae on the immobile pupae. And larvae survival seemed dependent on the fluid.
I found that the pupal secretion is rich in nutrients, hormones, and neuroactive substances.
It seems like this fluid plays a previously unknown yet vital role in the success of an ant colony. And interestingly, Orly found this phenomenon in a wide range of different ant species.
We're confident that this actually happens in all other ants.
The fact this seems to occur across ants could mean that this is a characteristic feature of ants. And to Orly, these findings show that pupae really have been overlooked.
I think one of the major implications is to shift our perspective of how we see the colony from an adult-centric perception into a network perception.
This vital fluid contribution from apparently passive pupae shows that they are an important part of ants' complex social structures, and are yet another example of how tightly intertwined and interdependent the lives of these social insects really are.